What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your Mac's wallpaper and screensaver. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your Mac, click on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and select System Settings. In case your settings look a bit different on your device, then make sure that you're running the latest software update. Navigate to the Wallpaper section. Here, you can select different types of wallpapers. The dynamic desktop wallpaper can be set to a light or dark version. You also have the option to set this option to dynamic. The desktop wallpaper will then change depending on the time of day and your location. All wallpapers in this first row have a dynamic setting, though some are required to be downloaded first. Below, the light and dark desktop wallpaper can be set to either light, dark, or automatic, which again will set this according to the time of your Mac. Next, you can also select one of the pictures in this list. If you prefer to use one of your own pictures saved on your Mac, then click on Add Photo Album. Next, select your preferred album or select Photos to find all of your saved photos in this list. Alternatively, you can also right-click any image in your Finder or on your desktop and select Set Desktop Picture. This will change your wallpaper to the selected image without having to look for it in your settings. In case the picture is not centered or stretched, then head back to your wallpaper settings and change the Fill Screen option to whatever works best for you. After selecting your preferred wallpaper, navigate to the Screensaver settings. You have the option to preview the selected screensaver when clicking on Preview. Below, choose a screensaver. The first few will display images saved in your photos. Below, select one of the classic Apple screensavers or use Message to display a custom message when the screensaver is showing up. When clicking on Options after selecting the screensaver, you'll have the option to change the text. You also have the option to show a random screensaver every time it's being triggered. Enable the Show with Clock option if you wish to see a digital clock on your screensaver. Lastly, head over to your Appearance settings. Here, switch between the light, dark, or automatic appearance. This will come down to personal preference. Your accent color is the highlight color for native Apple applications. This will be set to multicolor by default, which enables apps to use different colors. Below, enable or disable the Allow Wallpaper Tinting in Window option. When enabled, this setting will allow some of your wallpaper's colors to shine through your active window. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.